After encoding all our word and label data, as an additional preprocessing step, we want to make sure that our reviews are in good shape for standard processing. That is, our network will expect a standard input text size, and so we'll want to shape our reviews into a consistent specific length. There are two things we'll need to do to approach this task. First, I'm going to take a look at the review data and see, do we have any especially short or long reviews that might mess with our training process? I'll especially look to see if we have any reviews of length 0, which will not provide any text information and will just act as noisy data. If I find any of those 0 length reviews, I'll want to remove them from our data entirely. Then second, I'll look at the remaining reviews, and for really long reviews, I'll actually truncate them at a specific length. I'll do something similar for shortish reviews and make sure that I'm creating a set of reviews that are all the same length. This will be our padding and truncation step, where we basically pad our data with columns of zeros or remove columns until we get our desired input shape. Okay, before we pad our review text, we should check for reviews of length 0. And the way I'm going to do this is to use a counter. For each review length that's currently in our data, whether that's a length of 0 or thousands of words, I'll look at how many reviews are of that length. So this returns a dictionary of review lengths and account for how many of our reviews fall into those lengths. So here I'm looking at how many of our reviews are 0 length, and I'll also print out the longest review length just to see. So when I run this cell, I can see that I have one review that is 0 length, and that my longest review has over 2,000 words in it. This 0 length review is just going to add noise into our data set. And so next, your task will be to create a new list of reviews ints and an array of encoded labels where any reviews of 0 length will be removed from this data. So remove any 0 length reviews from reviews ints and remove that corresponding label as well. In this particular case, after running this cell, I expect to see that one of our reviews was removed. Try to solve this task on your own, and next I'll present my solution and introduce you to your next exercise.